Hey collaborators, Logan here with this week's episode on e-commerce WordPress website design tips for restaurants and boutiques. In this video, I'll talk about online ordering options for delivery, takeout, and reservations, online ordering options for clothes and items, and general e-commerce website design tips. Let's learn together. All right, first up, online ordering options for delivery, takeout, and reservations. So the standard choice here is going to be WooCommerce for WordPress. WooCommerce works with a lot of WordPress themes. It's likely you won't have any problem getting it set up and going if you have a working knowledge of your own website. With WooCommerce, you can set up your menu categories like pizza or burgers or breakfast. You can add individual menu items like pepperoni pizza and fill out a description. Put it in its category, pizza, and then add tags if it's like gluten-free or vegetarian or whatever that option might be. Then you can add an image. If the menu item doesn't have any variations, then you're done. But if it is variable and has different sizes or optional add-on toppings, you'll want to set up customization options, and you may possibly need to purchase an additional plugin called WooCommerce Product Add-ons. Then after you're done with that, you'll add the price for each variation, create an order form using the WooCommerce product table plugin, which is an additional purchase, and then restrict your delivery or order area by zip code using the WooCommerce Delivery Area Pro plugin, which is an additional purchase, and restrict your ordering hours with the WooCommerce Opening Hours and Chosen Times plugin, which is an additional purchase. Finally, you'll receive the orders via email through the WooCommerce plugin, but if you want text messages to be more timely, you'll need to purchase an additional plugin like the WordPress WooCommerce SMS notifications plugin. Now, the main WooCommerce plugin is free, but all these additional plugins, again, do have an extra cost. Another option besides WooCommerce is RestroPress. RestroPress is a plugin similar to WooCommerce, and while it has a different setup, it has a lot of the same features as WooCommerce, along with the additional plugins you can purchase, such as order time limits, add-ons for tips and delivery fees, SMS notifications, additional payment options, and more. So next up is online ordering options for clothes and other physical items in boutiques. Essentially, my recommendation here is going to be WooCommerce again. It has a great basic store setup and tons of supporting plugins that you can purchase to customize your store for what you sell, just like the restaurant earlier. In fact, if you're a multi-vendor boutique, I know there are a lot of those around right now for like antique stores and clothing stores, you can use the product vendor WooCommerce plugin, which you have to purchase separately, to easily handle all those different vendors and their commissions right on the website, so you don't have to do it later. Lastly, some general e-commerce website design tips. So start with a fast website. You want a lighthouse on your website to see how it's performing, and if anything on that report makes sense to you, you can do it. But if it doesn't, hire a web developer to run that audit for you and make those changes. Now, if your website is slow, people will not wait for you. Usually 3 seconds to 5 seconds, you're losing half of the people who came to your website. They're dropping off. Learn how to perform a website audit at the link right above my head on YouTube. If you're on Facebook or elsewhere, check in the video description. Next up, make sure your homepage is snappy. An eye-catching title, a prominent call to action to get them to your shopping ordering page. You need high quality but fast loading pictures. That's where the Lighthouse audit comes in, or the Jetpack plugin on WordPress. Make sure it looks professional. No one wants to order from a janky looking website. Next, fill out your product and menu descriptions fully. Of course, many people aren't going to read those product and menu descriptions fully, but if you're getting new customers coming to you wanting to order, you want them to know exactly what they're getting. And if they don't feel confident from the photo that the item is what they want, then you're going to lose that sale. Next, you need reviews. If you don't have a main reviews page set up like ours, you need one. Check out my favorite option at the link above my head on YouTube. If you're on Facebook or elsewhere, check that video description. If you're able to, work with WooCommerce on your chosen plugin or theme to get product scores on your listing. Maybe this doesn't apply to food items, that's up to you, but clothing, etc. will work for that. So make sure also that your e-commerce website works on mobile devices. Your website needs to be responsive, so take care when choosing your theme or plugin to make sure they're responsive to mobile devices. Test, test, test. All right, thanks for watching. If you're on YouTube, check out our other Marketing Monday videos on the left. If you're watching this on Facebook or elsewhere, follow the link in the description to our YouTube channel to help you learn how to develop your website and handle digital marketing for your company.